Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the usage mode to home mode or retail mode. For this, go to settings, tap on all settings, tap on general and privacy, tap on system manager. Here you can see the option usage mode. Now the usage mode is home mode. If you tap on this one, so here we need to enter the pin here, and you can see two options, home mode or retail mode. To change to retail mode, select the option retail mode. You can see a pop-up menu. Or you want to use your TV in retail mode. Retail mode is only intended for use in retail shops. If you choose retail mode, the picture settings will be reset every 5 minutes. Tap on OK. Now the retail mode is enabled on the TV. You can see. So successfully we switch the usage mode to home mode to the retail mode. So if you want to go back to the usage or usage mode to home mode, go to settings again, tap on all settings, tap on general and privacy, then tap on system manager, select usage mode. Again you need to enter the pin here, then select the options home mode. So simply in this way we can change the usage mode to home mode or retail mode. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.